Hi, this is Dr. Bastian at the Ravenswood Health and Wellness Center. We've been talking about upper back pain, lower neck pain, upper back pain, into the shoulders, through the traps. Another big reason why a lot of people suffer from this, one is a big postural issue, something what's called an upper cross syndrome. What happens is the more that we sit and stare at a computer screen, the more we round our shoulders, the chest gets real tight, the upper back gets real tight, and the neck gets real weak. So we start to reinforce this slouch posture with this forward head translation. The more we sit at a computer, the more we stare at our phones. There are tons of people who suffer from this kind of derangement, and it's definitely something that we can help you with if you're feeling or experiencing similar symptoms.